How you doing, guys? Back again. Finished installing the canopy on the Bt50 little Thunder. We have picked ourselves up a set of steel chrome suspension from Formula 4x4. Thank you for the kit, guys. Purchased off of your website. We're gonna fit that today. Kit. $3.60 discount. We don't need instructions. We're mechanics here, right? But overall tray, genuine BT one. It's not too bad. Like it over the ARB one, to be honest. That's my own personal preference, but overall, I've never seen a Thunder with a canopy on the back because they come electric tonneau from factory, and why would you ever change it? Because I hated that tonneau, not gonna lie, fucking shit. So here we are, new tonneau, new life, full electronic, push button, fucking no, this disgusting handles on the outside, fuck that shit. But here we are, got my uncle over here, just measuring up me fucking, we're measuring off me suspension height before I start. And what we're gonna do,